Welcome! This video is about customer lifecycle and how it complies with GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, on volvopentashop.com. Let's register a user and see how easy the option works. To start with, open Login page and click the Register link. On Step 1, select your country and specify your user type, private or professional. On Step 2, fill in all the required fields: first name, last name, address, zip code, city. Additional information can be added later. Specify your email, password, and secret question in the login information section. According to GDPR, users can choose whether to receive marketing campaigns and offers or not. Please pay attention to the legal requirements. You have to agree with all the points listed below to proceed. In addition, you have to confirm that you are over 16. Note the minimum user age may vary depending on your country. Now go to your email box and click the link to complete the registration. You are done. Welcome to volvopentashop.com.